Herman Motorsports. Herman Motorsports coming at you.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another Herman Motorsports video. So I've been getting the same question over and over again, and the question was, what exhaust system do I have on my 570S and how do I like it? Let's answer the question. I have the factory sport exhaust, which was extremely important to me when I was picking out a car. I would not have bought a car without the sport exhaust. And I have the stealth exhaust tips, which again wasn't a priority for me, but I'm glad I have them. I think they look really slick. So let's talk about pricing first. According to my window sticker, the stealth exhaust tips were $520 and the factory sport exhaust was $3,940. So it's an expensive option putting them together. If you're looking to spec out a car or buy a car, I hope that this video will help you know if that's a right option for you. I tried very hard to mic the car up well so that you can get an honest sound clip of the car, both at a cold start, and it's a cold start. It's about 16 degrees here in New Jersey. You'll see a lot of white condensation smoke when I first started. And then I do some idling, and then I do some revs. Now keep in mind with the revs, on a McLaren, you cannot go over 4,000 RPM until the three parts of the car are warmed up enough, and then it gives you the ability to go above 4,000 RPM. That's the water temperature, the oil temperature, and the gear temperature. I could not get the gear temperature to go up because the weather wasn't good and I didn't drive the car. I just let it warm up the oil temperature and the water temperature. So the revs you're hearing are only to 4,000 RPM, but it still sounds pretty awesome. And talking about sound, a lot of people say that the McLarens don't sound good, and I completely disagree. I've had Ferraris, an F430 Spider, I've had a 340 ATS. I love the way Ferraris sound, and they sound very much unique to themselves. And it's the same thing with McLaren. They have their own sound. I happen to love it. It's very throaty, and when you hear it, you know it's a McLaren. So I hope that the sound quality comes through your phone speakers or your computer speakers, whatever you're watching this video on, because I want you to get an honest representation of what it sounds like. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. It means the world to us. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.